There's more to life than health insurance. Regardless of what health insurance you have, you will have out-of-pocket costs to pay before your health insurance kicks in. Unfortunately, most of us don't have extra money set aside and end up dipping into our 401k plans or going into debt with credit cards or bank loans. This is when supplemental insurance comes in handy. Now, you may be saying, but I have health insurance. How is this different? Health insurance pays the doctors and hospitals. Supplemental insurance pays you directly. This money can help you pay those unexpected expenses that life can bring your way. No exams, 4 questions. Are you actively at work 20 hours a week? Have you been diagnosed with AIDS? Have you been hospitalized, disabled, or had surgery in the last 6 months? And have you been treated for cancer? No one likes to talk about life insurance. Most of us have it, but it's usually tied to our job. What happens if you change jobs? Do you have a policy outside of work? Do you have coverage on your family? Things we don't like to talk about, but really need to know. Here's something to think about. What happens if you can't work for a couple of months because you're sick or hurt? Do you have enough sick leave or vacation to cover you? Do you have savings set aside to pay your bills while you're out? Paycheck insurance can help you survive. If you have children or an active family, this is a benefit you should consider. This plan pays cash benefits to you for broken bones, ER visits, hospitalization, and more. Here's an example of how it might pay for someone who was, say, hospitalized from a car wreck. In this example from a car wreck, it would pay $4,030 directly to you. There's also a $50 benefit for routine doctor visits. So you don't have to be in an accident to get a benefit from this particular plan. Unfortunately, most of us know someone who has had cancer or one of the other 20 catastrophic diseases covered by this plan. We know that there are a lot of costs that are not covered by health insurance. In this claim example, for someone with breast cancer, the plan would pay $19,445 directly to you. This would go a long way in helping a family focus on recovery instead of worrying about finances. The plan also has a $100 a year cancer screening benefit included to encourage those early screening exams. The hospital indemnity plan will pay you if you're hospitalized due to sickness or injury. This is not major medical insurance, but will pay for hospital stays, doctor visits, home nursing care, ambulances, and more. For example, someone who has surgery and is in the hospital for 5 days. The plan could pay $1,925 in this situation. The plan also provides a benefit for a routine doctor visit of $25. So you may be thinking, I have health insurance, why do I need this? Well, you may not if you have enough money set aside in savings. But if you're like most of us living paycheck to paycheck, you could be at risk, and these plans could save you from financial disaster. Now, I provided you with a lot of information on your new benefit choices. Now what? You can go online to enhancemybenefits.com and select the online enrollment link. Complete the form and we will contact you. Or you can call us at 866-733-0423 or email us at info@enhancemybenefits.com.